Supplementary 5, Shri Kartikeya Sharma. Shri Kartikeya Sharma.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. The nuclear energy mission is a visionary step towards achieving net zero targets while ensuring energy security and a foundation stone for Viksit Bharat. But through you, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister, given the small modular reactors, SMRs, are a game changer due to their scalability and safety, could the Minister elaborate on how the government plans to accelerate indigenous R&D in SMRs to ensure faster deployment, and what collaborations are being explored with global leaders in nuclear technology to make India a hub for advanced nuclear innovation and leader? Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. I'm glad that the Honourable Member has asked this question, which is in fact a continuity of what we've been discussing in the earlier few minutes. Small modular reactor, as he Small modular reactor, as he rightly mentioned, is a step in that direction. It is going to make India not only a nuclear hub, but it is also going to make India a country to reckon with. Of course, we are in the expansion mode. For that only, we have decided to engage the private players. Now, as far as the what has been done, to be very precise, earlier on, the budget also used to be very minimal. As I said in the lower house yesterday also, there has been a 170% increase in the budget of Department of Atomic Energy from 2014 till today in 2024-25 budget. That is A. But that's not about all, because the pool is very big. We are also involving the investment from the private sector, A, and also the National Research Foundation, which is going to be 60-70% resourced by the non-government quarters. So the pool is going to be very big and is going to increase. Since nuclear energy, we have just started off, but in space where we started off just 4 or 5 years back, the results have been miraculous. And as far as he asked about the collaboration, of course, we are collaborating with France, the US, but our thrust would be on indigenous development. And that's why 20,000 crore have been specifically earmarked to produce at least 5 indigenous small modular reactors, and they'll be called Bharat modular reactors in very few next years.